guys, welcome back to another new video. This is Akash, you're watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm explain how to set up OBS Studio on RDP. So guys, now I'm click on RDP and close this browser and just I'm open Google Chrome and select one profile, just person one, and search OBS Studio, and click accept all data and go to OBS Studio, change to quick English and click installer and welcome OBS. So probably need to them download, try again. So I'm just download and quick installation process, click OK, click next and install. So OBS file is being used following application Chrome and go login dot and go complete application to continue setup. So click OK and use following application, so Chrome and others. Please close this application and continue setup. So I just continue Google Chrome browser and click detail and go login xyxex file. So I'm just click cancel. So guys, I click again and setting OBS and click yes, click next install. So already showing this warning. So guys, next time chat with another new video. Goodbye.